Periodically you'll get a call from someone who wants to file for a legal separation. Now, there's no formal proceeding in New Jersey called a legal separation. The closest thing to it is an action for what is called a divorce from bed and board, which can be filed if either or both spouses don't want to be divorced but do want to have a court resolve all of the issues that would normally be resolved in a divorce case, like child custody, parenting time, child support, alimony, equitable distribution. Upon the entry of a judgment of divorce from bed and board, the parties will remain legally married, but they'll be economically divorced just as though a judgment of divorce had been entered. This vehicle is often used by a party whose religious beliefs frown on divorce, or who must maintain the right to remain covered by his or her spouse's health insurance. In fact, you don't have to file anything with the court to resolve these issues. You can simply enter into a separation agreement, or if you decide not to separate right away, a settlement agreement. As long as each spouse has his or her own lawyer, that type of agreement will generally hold up in court with whatever the parties decide to do, unless there's been a substantial change of circumstances. There's actually no legal requirement that either a separation or settlement agreement be done with a lawyer, as long as each party has entered into the agreement freely and voluntarily, and each party has had the chance to get legal advice but chooses not to do so. That's risky, though, because if the unrepresented party later challenges the agreement, the court will look very closely at the circumstances, and they're more likely to overturn the agreement. One thing is for certain: when possible, it's much better to reach an agreement on all of the issues related to a divorce than to go to trial and force a judge to decide. The ideal situation is when divorcing spouses can come to an agreement before they even file for divorce or get the court involved. That's what's called an uncontested divorce, and everyone certainly benefits by that.